Is Monese just another bank app, or is it something more? Ever moved to a new country? It's exciting, sure, but there's always that mountain of admin to deal with. Finding a place to live, sorting out utilities, and of course, opening a bank account. Traditionally, that's meant navigating appointments, paperwork, and the whole credit history thing. Not exactly the dream start to your new life, right? Well, that's where companies like Monese come in. They call themselves an alternative to traditional banks, offering current accounts and money transfer services. But with a new wave of financial apps popping up all the time, it's a fair question to ask, is Monese actually a bank or something different entirely? Let's dive in and explore what Monese has to offer, how it compares to a regular bank, and see if it might be the right fit for you. The rise of the fintech challenger. Monese isn't your high street bank with a fancy marble lobby. It's a fintech company, which means it uses technology to deliver financial services. Launched in 2015, they were one of the first players in the UK to offer mobile-only current accounts. The idea behind Monese was simple: make banking easier and more accessible, especially for newcomers or people with limited credit history. Their app-based system lets you sign up in minutes, ditching the paperwork and credit checks. So, is it a bank account? Not quite. Here's the key difference. Although Monese offers features that might look similar to a bank account, like a debit card and the ability to send and receive money, it doesn't hold a full banking license in the UK. This means your money isn't directly protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS, a safety net that covers up to £85,000 if a traditional bank goes bust. Monese does, however, partner with licensed institutions to safeguard your funds. Monese versus traditional banks, weighing the pros and cons. Monese might not be a bank in the traditional sense, but that doesn't mean it can't compete. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide which might be a better fit for you. Monese, pros. Fast and easy sign up, no credit checks, no appointments, just download the app and you're good to go in minutes. Mobile friendly, manage your money entirely from your phone, perfect for busy lifestyles. International focus, great for expats or frequent travelers, with multi-currency accounts and competitive exchange rates. Lower fees, often cheaper than traditional banks for international transfers and certain transactions. Monese, cons. Limited account features. Compared to a full bank account, Monese might lack some features like overdrafts or check deposits. No FSCS protection. Your money isn't directly covered by the FSCS safety net. Customer service, reliance on app-based support might not suit everyone. Traditional banks, pros. Wide range of services. Traditional banks offer a broader range of financial products, from savings accounts and mortgages to investment options. FSCS protection. Your money is protected by the FSCS up to a limit. Physical branches. Having a physical branch to visit can be reassuring for some people. Traditional banks, cons. Slower sign-up process. Opening a traditional bank account often involves paperwork, appointments, and credit checks. Higher fees. Traditional banks can sometimes have higher fees, especially for international transactions. Less mobile-friendly. While most banks offer mobile apps, navigating your finances might not be as streamlined as with a fintech app. So, who should use Monese? Monese is a great option for newcomers to the UK. The easy sign-up process and lack of credit checks can be a lifesaver for those without a UK banking history. Frequent travelers, multi-currency accounts, and competitive exchange rates make managing your money abroad a breeze. Those who want a simple banking solution, if you just need the basics for everyday banking, Monese app-based system can be convenient and affordable. Monese might not be a traditional bank, but it offers a compelling alternative for those who prioritize speed, convenience, and affordability. However, if you need a wider range of financial services or the security of FSCS protection, a traditional bank might be a better fit. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. Consider